What's your name?
My name is John.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
What's your favorite food?
I love pasta.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I love football.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Lion King.
What's your favorite drink?
I like coffee.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, I do.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can ride a bike.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10 p.m.
What's your favorite season?
I love summer.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
What's your hobby?
My hobby is reading.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 brothers.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
Do you like singing?
Yes, I enjoy singing.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I like watching TV shows.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is science.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, I love dancing.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Do you play video games?
Yes, I do.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I love chocolate.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a dog.
Can you play an instrument?
Yes, I can play the piano.
Do you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak a little Spanish.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I love the beach.
What do you do on weekends?
I relax and spend time with my family.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I enjoy traveling to new places.
Do you wear glasses?
No, I don't wear glasses.
What's your favorite TV show?
My favorite show is Friends.
Can you drive a car?
Yes, I can drive.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love animals.
What's your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is a rose.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I find them relaxing.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and toast.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I exercise regularly.
What's your favorite music?
I like pop music.
Do you like to draw or paint?
Yes, I enjoy painting.
What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is cheesecake.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, I like growing flowers.
What's your favorite outdoor activity?
I enjoy hiking.
Do you enjoy reading magazines?
Yes, I like reading fashion magazines.
Thank you for watching.